Oroka Cluster, giandaman, gihaguan sa ato ang mga teacher performers. And it is only right and fitting to have set of experts to determine the rightful winners. And to introduce our panel of adjudicators for tonight, let's hear it for the Capestri Advisor. Let's put our hands together for Mr. June Matthew B. Ares.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As we immerse ourselves in the vibrant celebration of Debut Night, it is my distinct honor to introduce to you the members of the panel of judges. Our first judge, he is a dedicated educator and a dynamic leader from Bourbon District. Principal 4 of Doña Milagros Osmeña Elementary School, who has shown unwavering commitment to nurturing young minds and fostering a love for learning. He has profound passion for music, arts, physical education, and performing arts. This passion has taken him to different corners of the Philippines where he has shared his expertise and inspired countless students and educators alike. Please join me in welcoming with a thunderous applause, Dr. Edgar Tinapay. Our second judge, she is the guiding force in the vital areas in the Cebu province. In Araling Panlipunan, she shapes the way our students understand history, culture, and the world around them. Her role with the Madrasa education program, she champions inclusive education, ensuring all students have access to quality learning experiences that honor their unique heritage and traditions. Her dedication to both of these fields demonstrates a profound commitment to holistic education, one that values both academic excellence and cultural understanding. How about a round of applause to Mrs. Rosemary Diaz Oliverio. Our third judge, the chairman of the board of judges, is a professional teacher, a classroom teacher, and a class advisor for 7 years, a teacher in charge for 5 years, a school principal for 3 years, a division coordinator for private schools, pioneered the implementation of senior high school to all secondary schools in the province, a total of 252 schools, pioneered the establishment of the Learning Resources Management and Development System, LRMDS, of the division, conceptualizer, organizer, and implementer of the LR Vision 2030, the incumbent education program supervisor for learning resources. How about a round of applause to Mr. Isaias Tapiao Wadas.
Thank you so much, Sir Ernest. Tonight, we are privileged to be joined by leaders who recognize the invaluable role of our teachers in shaping the future. And to give another message of support, let's put our hands together for Honorable Mike Villamor.
Kinatong tanan. Kumusta man mo niya? Kung nasa tanan ako kayo ay ako na garbo na naabit ko karon sa inyong Teachers Night. Ayaw na magsama sa umaga kaysa tanan nightly activities karong kapistahan. Kanila gid akong giatiran karong kayo na. Busy na sama sa inyong mga teachers. Pero una kong mapanayon ang akong katahuran sa ato ang ma-update o supportive kayo na Mayor, akong magawa, Mayor Carlo Villamor. And of course, ang mga konsihales, headed by our Vice Mayor GPB Binamon, ang atong mga kapitan ni Asad, headed by ABC President Kap Bagubi Manulat, ang atong mga SK Chairman, Iapod, headed by our SK Division President, Hana Bihok. And of course, ato ang mga pinalangga yun ng mga teachers karong gabi na. Busy kayo ang atong ang Division Superintendent Pilonia kayo, si Sir Pauline. Dr. Pauline, Sir, salamat kayo sa pag-anay sa ato ang lungsod sa Carmen. And of course, ang ato ang District Supervisor, mabuutan kayo. Karon pa ko, maay manini mo sayaw. Sir, kamong kayo. Sa ato ang mga lain-lain ng mga district supervisors na karon mga bisita, Board of Judges, sa ato ang mga retirees, PTA officers, and of course, ang atong ipasidungan karong gabi muna, ang ato ang mga ma-update kayo, mga ato ang nagpulma sa ato mga kabataan para nindot kayo og kaugmaon. Mura ni sila, sobrang kani sila sa 7-Eleven, kaya kani sila 24/7, utat, uto, gabi, bisan pag weekends, ang ato ang mga teachers. Ato pagpakan, ang ato ang mga teaching and non-teaching staff din sa Carmen. Sa ato mga estudyante, kinsa may paborito ninyo mga teachers? Naamin din karon? Ngayon na kasi Mayor Carlo, umpak, white klase. Isa pa po lang. Alright, so again, yan po kayo na po, kanina, good po, karong gabi muna. Atong usang adlaw, nagtanaw ko ang episode, karong bitaw, it's okay to not be okay. Okay na mo? Atong mga teachers, okay na mo? Busy kayo mo, but tonight, naatay gamay get together, a night out from our usual na mga klase na kapundok ta o naasay mga performances kay sa kabisi sa mga teachers niagad ta, nigahinta o isa ka gabi para yun atong pasidungan ang atong mga teachers sa karong kandiuna Pinoy, usa karon Pinoy. Nakita ko sa ako ang Darla, Maria. Ito, again, sa ako ang mga performers tonight, good luck and congratulations kaninyong tanan. Ibaw ko hindot yun kayo kagabi para ka na to. Again, happy festa ka na tong tanan o mabuhay ang ato ang mga teachers din sa Carmen. Lahat salamat o mga gabi.
Salamat, Honorable Mike Gilmore, for gracing our event